This video lecture is the continuation of the fins of insulated end. The problem is a carbon steel rod, its thermal conductivity is given, has been attached to a plain wall which is maintained at a temperature of 350 degrees Celsius. The rod is 8 centimeter long and has a cross section of an equilateral triangle with each side of 5 mm. Determine the heat dissipation from the rod if it is exposed to convection environment at 25 degrees Celsius and heat transfer coefficient of 100 watt per meter square degree. Consider the end surface loss is negligible. So in this type of problems, first you have to check the boundary conditions and you have to make sure that whether the fin is of an infinitely long or its end is insulated. Here it is very clearly given that neglect the end surface loss. So it clearly indicates that it's a problem on insulated tip. So the given data is thermal conductivity, the base temperature is given as 350 degrees Celsius, the length of the fin is given as 8 centimeter. It is given that the rod is of cross section of an equilateral triangle. One side of this equilateral triangle is given, that is 8 centimeter. Not 8 centimeter, 5 mm. So if one side of the cross section is given, you can calculate the cross sectional area as well as the perimeter. So in the case of an equilateral triangle P equal to 3a, then the cross sectional area equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So all the data is given. You can calculate the fin coefficient m equal to square root of HP divided by K into AC, which works out to be 50.19 meter inverse. The heat transfer rate in the case of an insulated tip is given as Q dot fin equal to K into AC into M into T0 minus T infinity into tan HML. This equation is available in the data book. Please note that this H is not the heat transfer coefficient. Tan H stands for the hyperbolic function. So in this expression, all the data are known. K, AC, M, T0. You can take it as TB, base temperature, TB, T infinity. Then the value is equal to 9.26 watts. So it's a straight problem. Next problem is, which of the following arrangement of the fin will give higher heat transfer rate from a hot surface? The first condition is 6 fins of 10 centimeter length and the second condition is 12 fins of 5 centimeter length. The base temperature of the fin is maintained at 200 degrees Celsius and fins are exposed to an environment at 15 degrees Celsius with convection heat transfer coefficient 25 watt per meter square degree. Each fin has a cross-sectional area 2.5 centimeter square, perimeter is 5 centimeter and is made of material with K 250 watt per meter degree. Neglect the N loss. Here the problem is, two setups are given. The first setup is 6 fins of 10 centimeter long and the second setup is 12 fins of 5 centimeter length. Out of these two setups, which setup is more efficient for transferring the heat? Now we will see each cases. Case 1, we have 6 fins. All the data are given, that is base temperature, environment temperature, heat transfer coefficient, cross-sectional area. We convert the cross-sectional area centimeter square into meter square. Perimeter is given, thermal conductivity is given. Here also the n condition is very specifically given. It is given that n losses are negligible. So you can calculate the heat transfer rate from 6 fins. So Q dot fin equal to this expression. Since there are 6 fins, this value of n will become 6. This is the heat transfer rate from n number of fins. Heat transfer rate from one fin equal to K into AC into M into this expression. So you can calculate the heat transfer rate from 6 fins, which works out to be 130.18 watts. Now we will see case 2. In case 2, we have 12 fins. Length is equal to 5 centimeter. So you can calculate the value of ml. So heat transfer rate we can calculate. This is 138.63 watts. So it is very clear that when we use 12 fins of 5 centimeter length, which is just half of the previous one, it will enhance the heat transfer rate. So we say the case 2 is more efficient.